A blurred sunrise dawning, while we always up to the next day morning. And with all the chemicals worn out, made me feel good now. I be drowning in you, so thirsty. Couldn't care less how much it hurts me. Alright, but I'ma buy it back now. Make you fall back. I keep going back to you. No more, no more, no more, no more. I keep going back to you. No more, no more. You're like a bad habit. You're like a bad habit. Back to you. No more, no more, no more, no more. I keep going back to you. No more, no more. You're like a bad habit. You're like a bad habit. All the voices in my head getting louder. They told me not to tell you, but they're itching for the powder. Got that blurry vision, seeing double. Yeah, I love you, but you're all trouble. I'd be lying if I said I didn't love it. Carved a couple holes in my heart, so fuck it. And with all the chemicals worn out, falling too far, falling too far. I keep going back to you. No more, no more, no more, no more. I keep going back to you. No more, no more. You're like a bad habit. You're like a bad habit.
Chad. Woo, what's going on, baby? Hope you guys are ready for New York session. It's been a while. It's always weird to trade New York session with you guys now. Hope you guys are awake and good to go. Kuro, how you doing, brother?
Is this our second week in the office or third week?
Third, but technically second week trading. Because the first week we did not trade.
And every week on the Monday something happened. Oh, it was a bank holiday that first Monday
Yeah.
being back. The second week Monday, what happened then? No, did we have it on the Monday? Oh no, we added the Friday then.
Yeah, we
We added on the Friday and now Tuesday. Alright. It seems Survivor Season 1 is coming to an end in Canberra. They are slowly but surely starting to put on the electricity. So let's hold thumbs and toes and everything else. That's good.
Hopefully it's going to be a good day. But yeah, guys, without further ado, let's get ready to get into it. It is time for New York, for Wall Street sessions. And for the first time in front of the Chad, You guys might see the PP strat in action. We're gonna see if it does well, and if it doesn't,
We chalk it. We chalk it. It's chalked onto the next.
There we go. But we're gonna see what happens. So yeah, guys, we're gonna ready to open up these markets, and I see our chat box is back, bro. It's very blocky, but it's back. This is gonna be a good stream, bro. Everything
I think
is
you can
working.
change it. Oh, I think you can change it.
Yeah, now that we know it's working, back to clean. Wait, what is Twitch?
And then it gives you the Twitch. Does it work?
I just don't see what the difference is with clean and Twitch. We're gonna go with Twitch because Twitch is cool. So we're gonna transition over to that and have it as Twitch. But yeah, guys, let's get ready. Let's get into it. As always, we are going to open up the stream the right way, and the one time we're going to ask you guys to get quiet and come together in the stream as we get ready to open up with a prayer. And so if you guys don't mind us joining us here and bowing your heads. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for bringing us all together safely, and as a community, thank you for all of that hard work and dedication the guys did in bringing that power back to us here in PE. The one thing that's been tough here out in Survivor, but we've come together as a community. I think one thing about this, it's made us realize the little things we take for granted. We sit here day after day and we pray for it. We pray for all the things that we want to be thankful for, we want to be grateful for. But that little bit of having no water, having no electricity, it's a humbling experience. It makes you think of those that go their whole life. They go every single day, every single month, every single year without those little things. And it just makes you come back and touch some grass. Show you the real things to be thankful for, the little simple blessings we have every single day. But again, thank you to those workers. Thank you to all the guys that really put an effort and a shift in to bring that back to the community out here in GQ. Again, to all of those that are here with us, I just wanted to have a little bit of a safe prayer for those guys as they're going to be traveling back as they finish their jobs. We always say the one thing with everything, whether it's in sports, whether it's driving home, the most time risk and injuries happen is that little bit where you're so close to the end. So let's just pray for those guys, get them out of there, get that job finished and make it a safe one. But again, Lord, thank you for everything. Thank you for this community. Thank you for this amazing team that we have out here. And let's just continue to grow from strength to strength. We pray this in your heavenly name. Amen.
Amen. I just have to say something.
Yeah,
I love how you prayed for the guys that brought back the electricity.
I had to, bro. I don't know what I'm looking at. Oh, a little west. A little west.
I love that.
Bro, you know what they say. You gotta be grateful for the essentials. I can tell you now, Cribber doesn't even know who that is.
You haven't lived if you don't know who
I'm telling you now, he doesn't know who that is.
Is he an actor? What does he do?
you're a YouTuber.
Oh, yeah, I've seen him. I've seen his stuff. Yeah.
A little west.
Oh my
But
He's a cool guy.
W key. See, guys, we had to. They all know where it's about.
No. I just mean like people are like the world in. It's like, God, thank you for a beautiful electricity. Thank you for those 6 masts that got posted and those wires getting.
Okay, we'll put it back to the other chat box, guys. Cribber, you gotta be grateful for the simple things in life. Here today, today I couldn't even care about the charts. I've got power on at home. I couldn't care about these charts.
All I'm saying,
right
I'm not saying you shouldn't pray for them. It's beautiful, but I mean, it's like tonight when you lay in your bed, it's like, Father, I just want to thank you for this beautiful electricity just coming through my house.
We are 100%.
Thank you for this beautiful hot water running through my geyser. Nah, it's actually, listen, we spoke about it. Like this.
That's why it's all funny now, bro. Until
this week, honestly, just made people realize like we are actually weak vessels, and yeah. But also okay, let me just stop there.
Rooks, you joking, bro? I already said to the boys, if that power's on tonight, whew, I am going topside, baby. I'm absolutely wrecking people tonight. But nonetheless, guys, let's get around to these charts. Let's have a look what's happening here. We're going to start off with the fundamental chat. So let's get into there. Again, going into the session, nothing to worry about really. Pretty much clear sailing. Only some news coming out a little bit later. The main one, Trump speaking tonight, 5 p.m. consumer confidence. But again, orange folders, especially consumer confidence. I've never really seen much of that, so not too worried about that. So going to be quite clear for us. And as usual, from Wednesday, we start to kick it off with FOMC tomorrow. So that's going to be the big one. Going to see what's coming out of that. So again, if you're in Project G, you're going to have a little bit of a watch party with us. We'll talk about that one if we've got power. So let's remember that. Don't covers the. Remember, bro, you got to pray for it. Make sure there's power there. And
You
then
want
going
to zen?
into
Is the 6 milligram the bomb one?
I don't care which one, bro. That thing is gonna make you an addict.
Chad, is the 6 milligram a bomb or is that the light stuff? Did I give Mo the bombs?
You gave it to me and Mo. Then going over to Friday, guys, we're going to finish with core PPI. So again, going to be interesting with the GDP as well there from CAD. But focusing back on today, clear sailing for us until tonight. So let's have a look here on the charts. We spoke about the dollar. Now, if you guys were here this morning, we said dollar having a nice comeback and then absolutely shit in the bed. This was the big thing. We wanted to see what was going to happen. 9,700. We fell a little bit short of it and then absolutely just melted off there. You guys can see just one-way traffic. I'm not exactly sure what caused that to just completely U-turn. But yeah, dollar not doing too well. We're at that monthly S2, so quite a crucial area. So to see it come back from this is going to be quite interesting. We're going to have to see what happens there.
It's Brian, yeah.
I don't think Brian's there yet. Nah, I don't think so. But yeah, we're going to see with the dollar, but dollar back in that bearish momentum. Going over to gold. Gold is the interesting one for me. We're seeing dollar really fall off and gold going with it. Come on, Chris, you have to say it.
Soup. Bro, why does my boy...
But gold at that EQ, guys. So that is going to be quite the interesting one there for us.
Oh,
Standard
that's Brian.
bounce.
Brian,
Double
did
Cobra, there you
he
go.
see the... Jeez, this thing's quite...
But there we are at the EQ, so we're going to see if we can bounce off of that, see some volume coming in. But for the first time in a while, ladies and gents, US 30. Absolutely bearish. Now, we spoke about this
Yo,
morning
this thing is intense, my dude.
that we could see that hold over there to either go bullish or break. And once you had the break of Asia highs, completely flatlining, especially after breaking at 200 all the way to Asia lows, and now we're down here. So going to be quite interesting here. What we're going to see here again, I had a little bit more of a bullish move I genuinely wanted to see, but the way things are turning around, especially on the dollar side, we might be looking for those sells. So again, have a little bit of a key area. We're going to see potential reversals. If we don't get that, then we are going to be looking for that continuation play.
No,
So
bro, that's not...
so we got to monitor that and see what we can get into. But yeah, before these markets open up, Cribbo, over to you, my brother.
Bro, how did I say 6 milligrams is light? Felt like... Did you guys put some of the bombs in there?
No, that was
Bro, 6 milligrams is not light. That's why... Yo.
snowflakes have a kick.
Yo, it actually feels like I smoked a cigarette now. Holy smokes.
I use the XQS Arctic Freeze 11.2 milligram.
Bro, is there something lighter than I can't do a 6 milligram. That's way too much. 6 milligrams is... Yo. That thing somewhere took a part of my gum off now. Alrighty, chat. Is it on my screen now?
It is on your screen, my brother.
Okay, Chatadonia. We've got 8 minutes to go here. Yo, someone have a little bit of anxiety now. I swear you guys put the bombs in there. There's no way that's 6 milligrams.
We do not do anything, my brother.
Yo, right. I sort of feel a little bit jolted now. Jolts, job openings. Okay, Chad, this is our range on gold daily. We spoke about this level this morning.
This sounds loud.
Okay, so let's quickly have a look at it. Yes, bro, that thing is That is up. I swear Mo put the bombs in there. There's no way that's 6. This is when I smoked Stevie Red that I asked my aunt if I didn't have cigs back in the day. This is what it feels like. Is my thing still right here, Keys? I don't think it's right.
What? Oh, your thing
Right.
go a little bit to the right? There you find perfect.
Wait, let me
No, a
just
little
have
bit more.
More right.
Yeah, a little bit. There,
Sure,
perfect.
mistakes were made now. Maybe I got a bad batch. I don't know. I must actually check the batch number on that. But anyways. Okay, chat. So we spoke about this level. We had a nice bounce. Failed to go to previous daily high. And we just absolutely melted from there. So currently as it stands, 2 standard deviations. Dollar absolutely getting crushed. Can't really think it gets crushed on mid-tier data, but nonetheless, 2 standard deviations. This is a potential demand area. Okay, this if the dollar is going to bounce somewhere, it should bounce from here. So what I do expect is something like this, and if we can regain this level, I do think we trade back to go and test that level, something like that. But otherwise, it is bearish. Okay, US 30 on the daily. Okay, I keep losing my analysis. If anyone can assist with that to help me not lose my analysis every time, I would appreciate it. Alrighty, these were the 2 ranges that we were looking at. Okay, so I am bullish on US 30. I'm looking for us to fill out this range. Okay, so this morning, mentioned to you guys, point of control was sitting there. And what was sitting high here, Keek? Something was sitting up high here, but nonetheless, I still remember I drew a box like this. Chad, what was up here? There was a level there. Let me just check. What level did I have there? Lazy.
I have no clue, bro. That was probably one of your like prophetic levels.
Bro, I had a box here somewhere. Anyways, so I don't know why I had that box, but nonetheless. Said breakouts above. Could go long, breakouts lower, and we could go short. I do like the fact we're trading very close to this 49 level, so I would love to see price dip in. Okay, and I'm going to look for some potential reversals here. Okay, that is my idea. I don't necessarily want to sell. I want to look for reversals. NASDAQ daily, as mentioned, are we going to stay outside of this ugly range? Is this the move we've been waiting for? Is capitalism truly back in action? I don't know, but we will see very shortly. We're actually going to need 2 days to confirm that capitalism is back. Okay. Make capitalism great again. We're going to need a candle closure like this, and we're going to need tomorrow's candle close to also dip in, test, hold, and then get away from that level. Okay. So looking on the lower time frame, like I said, if we go high first, I want a short. If we go short first, I want a long. So there's that daily zone, previous daily high. I would love to see price dip in here. And this is where I would potentially want to get long. If we fail to hold above, then obviously this thing is going to shit the bed quite hard. Where's the next range? Next range. I wouldn't even want to look at these ranges. But we had that little mid-level there. Okay. So that's the idea on NAS. We've got 3 minutes. There's the one, my brother. I just want you to have that so long as a gift.
It's a gift.
Gold, alrighty. Gold still bullish. We basically filled 80% of that wick. If gold flips bearish today, this is that yearly R1 we spoke about. It would just be healthy for gold to go into some type of consolidation at this level. Or even some type of pullback. We've gone super parabolic at this stage. So we are going to pull back at some stage. But like I told the one gentleman this morning that was calling for the shorts, I can start to look short once we've got some type of 4-hour break of structure. Okay, so up until then, I'm looking at any consolidation as a consolidation to expand higher. Okay, so any type of consolidation is just a little pause before the next break up. So I'm still bullish, and looking on the lower time frame, what I can see here is something very interesting, is the fact that we failed to hold above that average daily range. We are now back below the 200. So technically my focus now should be shifted towards the shorts. Okay, so if we get a back test on this 200 and we fail there, all right, then I would expect price to go short. But if we start to trade back above this point of control and back above that average daily range, I would expect price to go long. So as it stands, believe it or not, I'm looking for shorts on gold. Okay, so there you have it, ladies and gents. We are looking for shorts. We're going to see what we do on that 200. And Kigalezi, that is my rapid fire analysis.
Beautiful stuff, my brother. Beautiful. So guys, alright, so I'm locking in for USD. We're going to see if we can get a trade here today. It's been a while. 1 minute to spare. What do we get? See.
You're also looking for buys off that lower level, eh? Where is your level? Is it on this screen? Yeah, I also got that close to the 49,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Same PP.
Let's see, ladies and gents.
PP Guano.
Let's see. What can we get? But that is it, ladies and gents. Markets open round 4. Yeah, round 4. Ding, 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 ding. Fight. Let's see. Do we get something?
So we first want to go low and then we go high.
Let's see what's Nas doing. Nas taking that little dip first. US30 making the run for it.
PP Guano.
I'm not against this.
But how many PP levels do you have there?
There, so all I need now is something to do like that. And then if I can get...
Bro, where did you get that level?
So it's on the 15. That's this one, yeah.
Oh, I gotta check. I only took the hour.
There we go. Let's see. We're chilling, bro. We're chilling.
Oh, we might get it. Might get it. Need to go low before we go high.
What are we seeing? Nas making that pullback already. So can US30 give it to us first? Come on, US30. Play ball. Sorry, Chad, if I'm not reading your comments right now. I'm just watching my other screen.
You're gonna give me the signal here, Keeks.
I Oh, there we go, bro. So it's game on now.
Woo! Okay,
Now
let's
it's
go.
game
Let's
on.
go.
We just need to
let's
see, can we create our level, and then it's game time, bro.
Oh damn!
You're seeing it there, so we
I'm
can
seeing
close
it,
there,
I'm seeing
create
it.
that, and
I see that.
then it's go time.
See it, young Padawan. Bro, why's the lights flickering? Please don't tell me.
Come on. Oh, I'm not liking that though. It's gonna screw us a bit. Wait, stay there, stay there, stay there. Yeah, yeah, there we go. There we go.
Bro, it's not fun. I can't
Okay.
without a phone.
So you see it there? Eh?
Yeah, I see
Nah,
it.
we just get closure. It's game
Okay.
time. Alright guys, we are going to be looking for buys.
Yo, 120 point stop. Chay.
It's doing right up there. Come on, US City. Let's do it for the boys. Oh, if we close like this, we don't have an entry. And no entry yet, team. No entry. Okay.
Ah, thank you. Is about what is it? Is it on? Really? Promise? We already asked.
Lorraine is on, we are on, and on the last newsletter they sent, they said Lamar Park.
Ask his mom just to confirm, like,
But Caitlin works from home. She works from home, and she's in Lorraine. It's
Who's
on.
that?
Caitlin. She works from home.
Oh,
And
is
I
she?
was like- She said it's on. It's been on since 2 o'clock. They've
Oh.
been on since 2.
that is beautiful to hear.
Yeah, so you'll have power.
Ah, I think everybody's mood is gonna be up now.
Now I'm a ray of sunshine.
Alrighty.
Okay. Yeah. Positions gonna be big.
Your stop is humongous.
Alright, okay guys, I'm in a bar. Why am I think not? What?
Don't tell me you open up regular contracts and not minis.
Bro, no, it's telling me I can't open that. What?
Check if you're not on
there,
the.
now I can. Okay, that was so weird.
Okay.
Guys, sorry, I'm just busy correcting my thing, yeah, because it was fighting with me. My entry is like basically in the middle there. Now it can become your 1-to-1.
Okay, gold. Let me check. Goldilocks. Yo, I don't know if I've got the kahunas to short gold, my brother. Yo.
You can do it, bro. You can do it.
Yo.
So what are we
Shorting.
seeing now? Ooh, bro, Nas turned around quite aggressively.
I don't think I'm man enough to short gold. But a short it is. I'm not short yet, guys. Kindly note before people start jumping into positions.
How they're gonna come for you, bro?
Stops are gonna have to be 75 pipettes. How are we looking there? Looking. Oi.
Not good.
Is that a sniper entry to draw down? Still too early to say. Gold. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, we're still at the table though. Still have a chip.
Ish.
Oh, gold. Hold. Yeah, no, it's 100.
Right. So that did not go to plan.
Where's your stop though?
I'm out. I just did the 60.
I know my stop is at the low.
That did not go to plan, ladies and gents.
Oh, where's gold? Oh no, I must gold. Wait, let's see if I get a push up.
Ish.
Dun, dun, dun.
So guys, I'm gonna let you in on a secret. The P in the PP strat stands for prayer. I think it's
I'm
'cause
still
we
in
did it.
No, I'm still in. I put my stops at the low. Keeks, I'm going short on gold, yeah.
Sheesh. Is it on your...
But I'm gonna put it on yeah. Jordan, let me just place my okay, Chad. Okay, is it on my screen?
there it is now.
Okay, wait, maybe it's not even necessary to put it on my screen. Maybe I even get chopped. I'm in short there. And I'm out.
Of the shorts.
My lord, I'm out. Yeah, 100. And I just put it at it above that eye. Bro, wait. Yeah, this thing's lagging. 78, 76. Yo, that was quick. 78. Yeah. Okay, that was quick and fast. Fast and quick. Jeepers. That's why I don't short gold. That is why you don't short gold, boys, ladies and gents.
Tax season is now. This is helping reduce taxes.
No, my taxes have been filed. Oh my goodness, ladies and gents. Yeah, that was very, very, very rough and quick. There was a 200 below the point of control, but I don't think we do that again. Okay. I'm going to take my own advice on the 4 hour. Right. So that was brutal. Very, very quick. Holy smokes. But it's good. It's good that gold comes out every now and again when you try and short it. I know Brian is going to give me some chirp and banter on that, but deserved nonetheless. But we've got something now that we need to wait
Bro, if
for.
that USD plays out for you.
I promise you, check the still. I'll let you put it at the lows because that's below that zone. It's just we can keep it. I put it there because that was the zone. Where's my entry? My entries, yeah. I've got 140. Stop. Sisa, goed. Let me just check the chat here. You never show. Brian, we talked about this. You never show. Yes, dude. That literally felt like when you were younger. And you just know you're going to go into like a array of bad decisions, but you do it anyway. Like I already knew the outcome of that like before I entered, but it was like still you just wanted to put that risk out there.
Yeah.
I guys need to answer you quickly. Hello? Where are you? Perfect. Okay, g'day. Ruan, we'll chat about that tomorrow morning. Let me just go in. Oh yeah, Ruan, and remember we below the 200, on gold. We only got back above now, I think. Yeah, so we're only back above there now. So that's why I considered the little short arena. Let's see if this thing can play for us. Okay, there's that level we spoke about on NAS. See if we can hold here. Okay, this was drawn out in the analysis for you guys. Technically, US 30 can go all the way back up there.
Yeah.
But I think a reasonable target is your daily flip level. But before we target there, we just need to get off these lows. sorry, man, your dearest. How would that information be valuable to you? I'm more than happy to tell you, but I just want to know what would make that information valuable to you, or how would it be useful to you? They're asking how much risking a trade.
That varies.
No, I understand that, but it's always interesting somebody asking that. Is it like to affirm what you are risking per trade? Is it all right, Chad? We're not really getting off these lows, so we're gonna have to see here. If we don't see a lot of buying happening here, we definitely run the risk of this being a consolidation before a drop. Okay, so I'm just preparing you guys for that. If these bounces don't get really strong very soon, this could be the consolidation before the drop. Why is that thing? Is that frozen? Yeah, it seems. Or it's just not moving.
Yo, I was gonna say, yo, bro, USD actually has like very little volume here today.
Yeah, so technically, what we need to see here, I see markets. Is this thing frozen, my bro? Oh, there it's starting to move. Technically, what we would need to see to confirm that the bulls are here, we need to see a very clean move up here. 1 minute candles popping like this. Very soon. Then only can I say buyers are in control. Otherwise, if we consolidate here, that is showing me little to no buying pressure off this level, and the only thing what's going to happen is we will break lower and we will go look for buyers lower. Okay, this bounce wasn't too bad. This bounce was really not that horrific. Goldilocks. Say.
You are seeing NAS look like to really start getting some movement there.
Yeah, if we can get US30 off these lows, then I think we're in good hands. Up until then, what is the dollar doing? Dollar, let's quickly check. Dollar, okay, dollar is at that zone. US30. Oh, it's starting to coil here. It is starting to coil. Okay, let's see, ladies and gents. Yes, the gold. Gold's not gonna make it easy for the sellers. Anyways.
USD really is just like
Yeah, it's coiling here for the breakout.
NAS is just running, bro.
Chad, nothing special about this. You don't have to pay traders. This is just simple break and retest on a daily time frame. So you don't have to pay anyone for mentorship. It's just simply flat body daily levels with the idea that the overall structure is somewhat bullish. And if we test that area, even if you look left, it's a break and retest. Okay, simple stuff.
Giving away our secrets there, bro.
Simple stuff.
NAS really is looking good, bro. Flipping out. But I think USD is finally playing catch up a bit.
Let's check.
This is the prayer part of the strat.
Oh, you pray.
Yeah.
We start praying for it. I love how I threw half of my profits away on that gold trade. After I had to wait for that trade this morning. Okay, but at least it's gonna put some pebbles back in the pot. Oh, this thing is making us work.
That seems like giving you anything for easy, bro. NAS, I think, was definitely the better one today.
Yeah, we're suckling on the sour teat here. It's not too late to rip NAS, yeah, but I won't. Okay. Ja, NAS, you thing of beauty. Beautiful.
Oh, bro, NAS is perfect.
Please tell me Tesla is also running. Let me just check Tessie. Don't hurt me. Tesla down again today. Okay, so we investors now into the US 30.
Oh. Oh, bro, NAS is perfect today.
Nah, this thing looks like it wants to go low.
Ah, bro, nah. Rob was just the wrong pair today. NAS is gone and USD is just chilling.
Okay, dollar chat as mentioned. Let's check the dollar here. Guys, US 30 are not looking good at all. We're not getting off these lows. Yeah, consolidating on lows does not indicate any type of strength. If you look at NAS, this is what you want to see off a strong level. We always talk about it. some type of V-shaped recovery. So once we tapped in there, it was straight away gonzo. And there's quite a bit of a contrast from what NAS did. So this is not ideal. Only thing that is relatively we can try and point out as a positive is that the lows are getting higher. All right. That is relatively the only positive thing from this trade. Other than that, it's looking horrific. To already test it twice off that level, yeah. So we'll see.
I know, I hate bro, is literally watching it and then seeing how Nas just. That's indices. I don't know what USD is on today.
Gold, I wouldn't even say unlucky. It's just that's where my stop was going to be, and it just gave a little bit too much sauce without the wash. I'll check out.
Bro, like it's, I don't know, these marking and this is actually quite weird, eh? Looking at dollar and gold, and then NAS and USD.
S&P is also up, so US30 lagging a bit here. You have to be. Oh. So either US30 is leading.
I think USD is chalk for it today.
No, I mean like NAS and S&P needs to catch up with it. I'm just gonna go pee quick, Keeks. Will this turn into a losing day? Still up. But will we get sliced? Find out on the next episode. If this thing is TP, we work for it. Literally labor.
Oh no, guys, this thing is. I don't know what it's doing. I don't know what it's doing, guys. Yo, these pairs are just going up and down. Gold. Gold, NAS, USD. NAS. NAS is at the daily R1. So I mean, do you at the daily R1 to daily R2 play? That is the question.
US 30. Why do you wanna break my heart? Okay, let's see. Investor swing trading.
That's the way, bro.
Swing trading.
That is the way.
Okay, let's see. What I feel like you want to catch on cocktail.
I want to, but I'm looking.
Chad, when Keegan gets quiet.
I'm looking, bro.
Wait,
NAS. I want to see if I
Keegan.
can get something on NAS, bro.
Oh, when Keegan gets quiet like that, there's trouble.
I want to see if I can get something, yeah, bro.
Wait, there's US
NAS
30.
holding that daily R1, and if it rejects, maybe we catch a move. Maybe NAS is the leading indicator, and we are just behind.
No, I think the rest of them are going to catch up with US 30.
That's what I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. Oh, I'm out, Chad. Okay. Lesson learned, yeah. Not a bad idea to take the longs from there. I wouldn't have done anything differently. But in terms of dynamic trade management, if you ever buy off a level, you want to see something like this, like what NAS did. US 30 giving us that initial bounce, came back for the second bounce, and then this third little leg struggled. So just something to note. I am still bullish on US 30. We do have the outside chance of this actually closing back inside of this range, but it could also just be a deeper pullback before we continue higher. I will not take another trade because this has now officially turned into a losing day for me. So no trade for me. Took the gold trade, took the US 30 trade. Yeah, that is basically
What I'm gonna do, bro. Simple. If we can get now the entry criteria I'm looking for.
Screen.
Oh, I can't show them that.
If
If we get like a PP setup, on NAS. I'm gonna go for it.
Reversal
Yeah,
or
reversal.
continuation? Okay.
So I'm watching it. I'll put it on here for you guys. Purely gonna come down to what I get you guys. Two things now. So either if I get the PP set up, we're gonna get a reversal and I can go down. But if we also go bullish and we can regain hold daily R1, I'm gonna go for our typical daily R1 to daily R2. But obviously I'm just gonna go for 1-to-1. But that is gonna be the plan, yeah. The plan of action.
Everyone's got a plan until the market kicks their teeth in. Then the plan goes out the window.
Yeah, then we second guessing. What we're gonna see, Chad.
My plan is sweet chin music.
What we're gonna see.
A lot of work today to lose money. Would have actually been a lot easier on the golf course. Hitting away all of those balls rather. Kribo knows keys. Hey man, I know when that man goes quiet like that.
I'm locking in. I want to trade, Chad.
He's catching on cuck.
I want to trade.
Brian, you know what's the saddest thing? When you open up a fresh box of, let's say, TP5 golf balls, or those tailor-made golf balls, and it's got a little bit of a stick to it, Chad. I don't know for the guys that play golf. A new golf ball has got like a little bit of the coating. You can feel that thing is fresh. And there's so much hope and optimism. Like the sun is shining on you. It's like you on the course. Everything is fresh. Like you had a good night's rest, had a nice brekkie. And you just stand there and you pump that thing poof, straight into the bush. 85 Rand gone. And it's like, there's still a lot of optimism. But when you tee up that second one, you go back to your bag, you open up the box, you squeeze it out, and you tee that second one.
Chad, I'm in a long. We're going to see, yeah. Bro, if this charges me now as well, I'm going to cry.
Or what live stream am I now? There we go.
Then I'm going to cry, Chad. Wait, I need to set my things, Chad. If this loses, I've then officially taken a loss on both of my accounts. I'm gonna go with a little.
So you're playing tough music for optimistic trade there.
If I lose this, both the accounts are in the red today. Then it was just a painful day.
Rough day.
Sure.
Tough day at the office then. Okay, Keeks, you're on your own with that one. I do hope. Then you find that ball, Chris, and you see it's got the best tree band. Yo.
Okay, Chad, I'm being aggressive with this. We're going to minimize stops to the 30. And the only reason I'm going with that is because I'm giving a little bit of wiggle room. If it does break back under daily R1, there's not really holding it. So the whole idea of the trade concept there is kind of out the window. So yeah, we're going to be quite aggressive with that, but that's it. I'm leaving it. It's set. I'm done. If I lose this, I'm over it. I'm done. Then both my accounts have lost. You know, one thing I'll give Top Step, that lockout feature. So,
Oh, Kigalezi.
I'm being a proper DJ in here today, guys.
Bro, mate. I'm gonna cry tonight in a hot shower at least.
I promise you, bro. Then the Top Step account lost, and then the FTMO account lost.
No, I think Ruan, I don't know if you're in the chat. Is daar 'n check geraas so waaroor ons gechat het met die pivots? Oh, that's the daily R1, eh?
Yeah.
Wait, but what price feed are you using? Oh, Wanda. For NAS. Bro, why is the price feed on Blackpool? I need to... What is the feed on... Oh, Wanda, what is it called? US NAS.
Yeah.
Yo, because... Because this thing is different on Blackpool. Awanda, here we go. Let's add Awanda. Let's remove Blackpool. Let's eliminate Blackpool. Let's get Awanda. Yes, but look at where that daily pivot is. Oh my goodness. That is disgusting. Can that be right though?
Yeah. I might be receiving a proper hiding here today, boys.
I think it's solid kicks. Let's believe in capitalism. If this daily R1 fails, capitalism has failed us. And it is just not a good day. Hey. Cattles.
Come on.
Alright, ladies and gents and ladies. Keys, how are you feeling about this position, my brother? Let's
Not
talk it through.
enjoying it.
But it's still holding that
You know,
pivot though.
okay, but so I take this position now.
Don't tell me you close it now.
No, I haven't. That's why I'm literally not
Promise.
watching. I'm like, I've
Okay,
left them
okay,
because
okay.
technically I'm gonna mess with my risk to reward if I watch them. But I came to NAS because I took USD and USD had absolutely no volume. And now the minute I've entered NAS, we have had no volume.
Sup, guys? Any signals? No signals. Take on gold is it's chopping now a little bit. It is chopping a little bit, and yeah, I do think on on gold. Keegs, I don't know if you want to throw over to me very, very quickly. I just want to show this young gentleman. Gold for me, I'm going to say this zone right there. If we can break back above this area, I do think we run the highs again. Other than that, while we're below the 200, we could see some short price action similar to what we had yesterday. Some pullback short. Otherwise, closures back above here and holds above there. This thing is going super, super bullish. So yeah, that is me. But let's see Keegan through this position. Yeah,
I want to see something.
throw back on your screen. Let's run.
Bro, so interesting though.
Let's run you on that one.
I was already I'm out of my freaking Top Step account. Did you know when you live, your leverage is also lower?
Really?
I couldn't enter the position size I entered when I did my challenge. That's what I'm trying to see if they even actually.
So it's lower.
So you got lower leverage
sneaky.
as well, bro.
Sneaky little puff at us.
That's what I'm trying to see if they talk about that.
Futures prop firms is a money machine, dude.
Let's see.
Kigo, I would have to run shortly, but I'm gonna. Hopefully, we can get you out of that position and profits. Profits, ladies and gents. It's my cousin's daughter's birthday. We're going there for Denmark. Going there for some dindins. You know dindins, Keeks.
Dindins.
It's going for some young dindins. BDH. I think this thing is going to go for you now, Kigo. I think the volume is going to enter now. And it's going to run for you, my young friend.
Bro, so they clever. So you can't use. Basically, you get a quarter of your leverage when the account goes live. You have to make the profit to make more margin for you. Then you can use a bigger leverage again, which is still capped. But then you can use the leverage you were using after you've made that bigger profit. So it's like, it's so hard to even make like good money before you get to that point.
So you're telling me CFD prop firms are better?
Way better, bro.
Yeah,
Like I probably won't do another future account after this. I think these are quite
So
stupid.
that's
now
why they make so much money with it. But I think that's why the guys buy like 15 of them.
Yeah. I'm gonna see how this closes this 1 minute, bro. If this closes underneath or back, I'm just closing it now. Because then I'm over it.
No, Keeks, but remember now the other side of it, it's consolidating above a position, above that level. So it's not reversing. Don't. Let me tell you something here. Let me tell you something here, Keeks. Again, now it's starting to look a little bit saucy here. So Sarah. Don't overmanage it, Keeks. If it holds above the R1 and it's consolidating, don't overmanage. You don't want to overmanage it. Huh? You're out.
Out. I am out, Chad. Position is closed. I'm not, bro, I'm over this day.
Alrighty, we go full screen.
I've been chowed yet today. I've been chowed. My mental said trend is likely to continue before reversing. I'm not sure yet.
Who said
Right.
Wait. Where's Brian? Why can't I honestly, let me check. My mental said trend is likely going to, I'm not sure yet, Keeks.
Sure. Chad, it's alright. Every now and again, we all get to be a DJ. It's okay. You gotta let the DJ out in you. I will be better tomorrow, I promise you.
Keeks, sorry man, I have to keep you accountable. Before the session started, and I said, Keeks, what are we looking at? What did we say we're gonna trade?
USD.
Okay. I'm just asking. I'm just asking for a friend. And then when I still said, Keeks, what made you decide on US30? What was your answer?
I like USD.
And you've been trading it for a lot of years.
Yeah.
You've had, okay. Now I'm just asking. I'm not. I'm just saying.
Yeah, that actually was like my first trade in NAS in a very long time.
No, that's. I just like we need to have tough chats here.
Yo.
Yeah, I know.
That was a cock one today.
I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I was still like I'm cuck with indices. I'm gonna be very honest with you. So
No, that one was.
I still ask Keegs. I'm like, Keego, we gonna go on US30 or NAS, and Keego's like US30, my brother. That's what we're gonna do. So I was quite surprised when I saw NAS make an appearance, but
It wasn't terrible.
no, it wasn't. It wasn't
was
bad.
terrible.
No, it wasn't bad.
USD just had literally no volume today. But yeah,
I liked the US30 longs. I'm not gonna lie to you. I still like them, but Chad, FOMC tomorrow.
But yeah, guys, just one of those days. We'll bounce back. We come back stronger. We just go have a tough cry in that hot shower tonight. But Cribbo, closing remarks.
Yeah, I will see you guys topside tonight. We are wrapping it. Myself and Keego. I don't know if Slash and Steve will join, but Chad. It's Tuesday. Tomorrow we've got FOMC meeting. Okay, I will talk you guys through it tomorrow morning. What to expect. Again, markets are already expecting of only 2.25 rate cuts this year. I think Powell's rhetoric is going to be quite important in terms of what he's talking about, what the Fed fears. So the actual release, that's a non-event. The actual event is going to be when he starts talking and when they hit him with some questions. So that's going to be quite a big one. I believe this is the first FOMC for the year.
Yeah.
This is the first one for the year. And I do think that will officially kick us off for the year and basically kickstart this first quarter for us with what Jay Papa is going to say tomorrow. But Chad, I appreciate all of you guys. Trade safe. Close the charts. See you guys tomorrow morning, same place, same time.
Cheers, Chad.
Appreciate it, Kigo. What if I don't have tears left today, my brother? You still have breath. Come back. Peace and love, Chad.
Next day morning, and with all the chemicals worn out, made me feel good now. I be drowning in you, so thirsty. Couldn't care less how much it hurts me. Alright, but I'ma buy it back now. Make you fall back. I keep going back to you. No more, no more, no more, no more. I keep going back to you. No more, no more. You're like a bad habit. You're like a bad habit. Back to you. No more, no more. No more, no more. I keep going back to you. No more, no more. You're like a bad habit. You're like a bad habit. All the voices